So we now have the two dance moves of our character put together in one scene or one stage. But let me fix the size and location of our character because they don't have the same size. As you can notice here at frame 60, we have the end of the movement of the graphic symbol named boy underscore movement 1, and then at frame 61 we have the on layer 2 we have the boy underscore movement 2, which is bigger than the other graphic symbol. So to adjust the size, you can use the onion skin, turn on this one, onion skin, and so you can compare their size. You click the other graphic symbol and resize it. Okay, there you go. And you may turn off the onion skin now and adjust the playhead. So they're almost have the same size. And then we'll just adjust the location of the first graphic symbol named boy underscore movement 1 from this point, and you add the keyframe at frame 60, press F6, and you change the location of the character, put it here, and right click, create classic tween, and then check how it works. Control Enter. So that's how classic tween works. Okay, and then we do the same with the second graphic symbol named boy underscore movement 2. So from this frame, or again, you use the onion skin so that you can check on the location of the other graphic symbol. So we adjust the location of the other graphic symbol, and then you may turn off the onion skin now and add the keyframe at frame 120, press F6, and then you move your character and right click, create classic tween, then press Ctrl Enter. So now your character is already dancing and moving from one place to another.